person.
I know. Can you say hello?
Hello.
Oh, thank you very much. Now, Corbell does a pretty cool sound. She can make the sound of a car alarm. Can you do that?
Oh, I love
Good girl, Corbell. All right, dude. Are we having fun? Can you say your name?
Corbell.
Thank you. And let's do a rooster. Say cock-a-doodle-doo. How about a cat? How about a dog? Can you howl?
Oh,
Good
my
girl. Wow. Well, you're really showing off.
goodness. Boy.
Corbell. Wow, Corbell. All right, Corbell, can you do some coughing? And it's supposed to be a sore throat.
Oh.
Bye.
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 Bye. Where's the grandpa? Where's the grandpa?
Bye. I'm done. Bye. I know you're a bird, man. Hi. No. What are you doing? Birds. Go to the bathroom. Go get the bathroom.
What was that? Did mommy blow raspberries on your belly? Tina? Do you like them? Do you? You want me to do them again? Tina, do it again. Tina, do you like them? You crazy.
Well, she was very pretty.
How are you?
Oh, I'm fine.
How are you?
I'm fine.
How are you?
I'm fine, really. How are you?
Pretty bird.
Yes, you are a very pretty bird. But let's get.
Midterm. What's that about? Stop it. Give me this. Fuck's sake. What are you doing? Shh. What? What?
You're being a
Hey,
dick.
Dad, can you give me this?
No.
Give me this.
No. That was rude.
Can you give me this?
No.
Can you give me this?
No, you're a dick. No.
Baby.
Nope. You're a dick. Stop kissing me.
Can you give me this?
No.
Can you give me this?
No. You're an asshole.
Thank you.
Fuck you, man. You're a dick.
Oh, dear girl. Hello. Oh, it's good. I love you. I love you. Yeah. That's a bite. You bit my nose. What doing? Hey. Pick a pancake. Come on. Oh, not nice.
Achoo! Achoo!
Okay. Yeah, think of pancake. I love you. Can I see your foot? I'll peek you. Oh, look at that little beak. I love your little beak. Yeah. It's so wet. Here you go.
Yeah, tell the puppy you love him. I love him.
I should never have taught him how to shoot. Now he always wants to fight. He gets mad if you don't shoot him back.
Ai, Zima, dois beijinhos, beijinho, 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 beijinho.